Hello, Roger. Copy, copy, copy. Hello, mic check, check, check.
Welcome to Cup Graded by
Two girls and
Two Cups.
two cups. तो let's come to the point कि हम आज किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं.
तो हम किसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं?
किस बारे में बात करने वाले? हम बात करने वाले हैं उन माँ के मुलुंड हरामी दोस्तों के बारे में जो तुम्हें हाउ टू बी स्मोकिंग हॉट नहीं, हाउ टू बी स्मोकिंग पॉट सिखाते हैं. जिनके लिए 4 AM फ्रेंड का मतलब पता है क्या है? 4 बजे सुबह जेल से बेल करवाने के लिए.
जिन्हें जब तुम बोलो ना कि आई एम फीलिंग वेरी डिप्रेस्ड तो वो बोलते हैं तो डोंट फील ना.
और जिन्होंने प्रूव किया कि दोस्ती में सॉरी थैंक यू बोलना जरूरी है.
Tell me your most toxic friend.
My most toxic friend, you know.
Don't name the person. Don't name the person. I know.
Her name is. You were very loud. Guys, ये औरत मेरा पीछा नहीं छोड़ती थी, ठीक है? वो प्यार के नाम पे मेरे घर पे कभी भी टपक जाती थी, बोलती थी सरप्राइज. अभी बर्थडे पे सरप्राइज होता है. रैंडमली आउट ऑफ द ब्लू कोई पौधा लेके तुम्हारे घर पे आ जाए, वो सरप्राइज नहीं, वो स्टॉकर होता है, ठीक है? वो कभी भी आ जाती थी एंड शी वुड ब्रिंग अ गिफ्ट. तो मुझे उसको लगता था कि अरे देखो मैं कुछ तो लाई तुम्हारे लिए. तो मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो जाती थी कि ब्रो ये
क्यों लाई है भाई, आज बर्थडे है.
पौधा क्यों, और पौधे लाती रहती थी मेरे लिए.
तो तेरे घर में जितने पौधे हैं दैट इज कर्टसी.
नहीं वो मर गए जस्ट लाइक आवर फ्रेंडशिप.
आई थिंक एवरीवन हैज अ फ्लेकी फ्रेंड. मतलब जब तुम्हें उनकी जरूरत होती है ना वो तभी अवेलेबल नहीं होते. Otherwise they are always at your house, they're eating your food, they're watching a film. Yes, Astha, I'm talking about you. Yes, I am. I'm going to take your name also. When you need them, gayab. Phone is off.
बट फोन ऑफ करने का तरीका भी काफी कैजुअल होता है. मतलब इट्स काफी लाइक they'll switch their phone off and not answer your call till the next day and then be like actually my phone it fell under my bed and I couldn't reach it because my hand also broke and
they were putting Instagram stories all that while.
बहुत क्रिएटिव जो कि मेरी नानी मर गई. पर तुम्हारी नानी परसों मरी थी ना.
कितनी नानी है?
मेरी मम्मी अलाउ नहीं कर रही. तो मनात नहीं थी.
बट वो लायर फ्रेंड्स हो गए. फ्लेकी एंड लायर सेम नहीं होता,
सिमिलर होते हैं.
अच्छा forget that, tell me your toxic friend. Boy, you're also a toxic friend. I'm sure you're a toxic friend to somebody.
I'm a love bomber.
Love bomber baby.
You crushed it. So that's what I do. Like I give you so much attention. मैं तुम्हें इतना प्यार दूंगी जब तुम मेरे साथ हो और फिर गायब. Not for 1-2 days, for months.
That is
so that person
wrong,
is just like, what just happened? Did I dream about this friendship that I felt was like forever? And then suddenly I'll come back and be like, I'm so sorry, I had this problem. Actually, I was not going through. आजकल mental health को लोग बहुत seriously ले रहे हैं. तो जैसे ही तुम बोलो I'm not mentally feeling fit, you have to understand. You can't say I can't. Like if you say you have cancer, they'll be like, how dare you not tell me? But if you tell them mental health, they'll be like, oh okay. So I use that excuse. Sorry to all the people who go through mental health.
But on this podcast,
now you know.
Yeah, now you know on this pod.
So I use that excuse.
You tell people you have mental health
then
issues.
For months, like I was under therapy and all. Actually, medication it makes you very like.
But I was hoping you're going to. तेरे दोस्त हैं कितने?
अभी नहीं है ना. एक करके निकल गए सब. एक करके उन्होंने mental health को seriously लेना भी बंद कर दिया.
I think Bhavesh is your literally वो कहते हैं ना प्यार दोस्ती है because that's your only friend. Like Bhavesh is stuck.
नहीं अभी तो the way we live we are like भाई बहन who do each other.
Okay, what's my toxic trait according to you?
एक आदमी मर रहा है
तो
उसके पास एक ऑक्सीजन पाइप है जो उसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है. तुम वो इंसान हो जो वो निकाल दोगे.
ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
किसी को सांस नहीं लेने दोगे तुम जब तक वो मर ना जाए.
Thanks to me, you have one friend. वो भी I'll get up and I'll walk.
Please walk. What will you do without me? We're under contract.
And I can't get up and walk right now. But that's right. That's our. अगर तुमने पुराने episodes देखे, you know how we met, how I ambushed myself in a room and.
Yeah. Ambush का मतलब है.
Hey Sari.
Ambush का मतलब क्या है? Ambush का मतलब पता नहीं, हमको भी नहीं पता, पर आप गूगल कर सकते हो कि साली तू है क्यों फिर?
Don't hit Sari.
Anyway, so that's your toxic trait is that you don't let people breathe.
Well, honestly, I have many more toxic traits. I thought you were going to say कि ये बड़ी competitive है. You know, like there are some friends.
नहीं, पर मेरे साथ तो तुम compete ही नहीं कर सकती ना. मैं बहुत आगे जा चुकी हूँ. मतलब तुम तो मैं थोड़ी ना अभी मेरिल स्ट्रीप के साथ कंपेयर कर सकती हूँ, compete कर सकती हूँ. चली गई ना आगे. तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए वो.
You know, I have a friend, and her name is also. I'm also going to name her. So she has a problem. Basically, what she does is कि उसको पसंद नहीं है अगर उसने किसी दो लोगों को मिलवाया है, तो वो उसके बिना दोस्त नहीं बन सकते. Basically, if she made you and me meet, you were her friend and I was her friend. If we become friends after that, she goes.
So, but what if she makes you? What if she had hooked you up with a guy, and like you guys were in a bedroom? She would want. She'd be like, मेरे बिना क्यों शुरू हो गए?
Yeah, of course.
अरे यार मैं आ रही थी ना अभी 5 मिनट रुक जाते ना 5 मिनट में हो गया तुम्हारा
मेरे बिना कैसे किया 1 मिनट now this is very fucking personal this is very personal it's coming from a very personal space I don't drink alcohol okay I don't have expensive tastes okay there are times जब मैं रेस्टोरेंट जाती हूँ अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए and I don't end up eating anything because I'm perpetually on a diet because I'm an actor मुझे काम करना है और
अब ये सेम चीज हिंदी में बोलो
मैं तुम्हारे साथ तुम्हारे अल्कोहल का बिल क्यों स्प्लिट करूं? Isn't that
मुश्किल होता है ना मैच करना.
मतलब मैं खाऊं अचार और तुम मुझे बिल पे कराओ ऑफ ऑल द.
पर तुम अचार क्यों खा रही हो? Oh, because pregnancy. Okay, got it.
So what the hell? And then they said, अरे हम तो split करेंगे. It's so much easier. No.
Let's just split, guys. It's easier that way. No, it's not that difficult to actually minus 10 rupees from 10,000 rupees.
Or use a freaking calculator.
What is it, by the way?
9,000.
देख टाइम तो लगता है. Correct बात है. Correct. I get you guys. मुश्किल है. हाँ?
कैलकुलेटर यूज करना
टाइम तो लगता है ना ऐसे अनलॉक करो फिर कैलकुलेटर फिर 10,000
please don't be you know in this episode basically we are trying to make you realize all your traits so that you can change them.
Bro, I also had one friend who जब भी बिल आता था ना वो जाती थी बाथरूम. I'll just go pee and come. मैं सोच रही हूँ बिल आते वक्त ही इसको क्यों सुसु आती है हर बार. तो मैंने भी शुरू कर दिया कि जैसे ही बिल आ रहा है मैंने पूछा पॉटी आ गई. मैं 2 घंटा वेट करती हूँ कि वो सुसु करे मैं पॉटी कर लूं.
जो पहले आएगा वो बिल पे करेगा.
तो मैं वेट करती हूँ कि निकली क्या बाथरूम से निकली क्या.
Have you ever had friends who have encouraged you कि बिल मत पे करो और निकल जाओ ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट से? It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. That's what I wanted.
I'm that friend.
That friend who's just like चल.
देखो एज एन एक्टर हर चीज एक्सपीरियंस करनी चाहिए. कल तुम्हें चोर का रोल मिले तो तुम कैसे जस्टिफाई करोगे वो कैरेक्टर को? तुम्हें कहीं ना कहीं तो डायरेक्टर विल से ना क्या आपने कभी चोरी की है. यस always.
So in the industry you end up actually making only toxic friends. I've realized.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
Exceptions maybe, but why does that happen? Because ऐसा होता है कि तुम इतना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो ना एक दूसरे के साथ जब तुम सेट पे होते हो. They become like really close to you, and if you're doing like a serious show, you become very vulnerable also. So you're sharing a lot of your personal secrets, and if you're doing an acting workshop together, तो फिर तो तुम मतलब
अरे ओहो
उनको ऐसी चीजें पता लग जाती है जो शायद तुम्हारे थेरेपिस्ट को भी नहीं पता. But as soon as the shoot is over, where do they go? To other people.
Home? Huh?
They do go home, but they go.
So what do you feel cheated on?
Yeah, don't you?
No.
You don't feel cheated on.
दूसरों की भी लाइफ है ना भाई. ये तुम्हारा टॉक तुम्हें लगता है कि सबको एक दूसरे के साथ ऐसे चिपक के रहना चाहिए. नहीं होता भाई.
So I'm toxic.
एक लड़की 2 एक्टर्स अगर दोस्त ना हो चलता है. और इंडस्ट्री में वैसे भी देयर इज अ रूमर दैट 2 फीमेल फ्रेंड्स कैन नेवर बी फ्रेंड्स.
आई थॉट वो एक लड़का और एक लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
वो अलग है. ये भी तो है ना.
आज की जनरेशन में 2 लड़के भी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
बट दैट इज फॉर 2 A-listers एक्चुअली. 2 A-listers कैन नेवर बी फ्रेंड्स. हम तो वहाँ पे हम कौन है? 2 गरीब दोस्त हो सकते हैं क्योंकि वो रिलेट करते हैं एक दूसरे से.
या वो अचार खा के बैठते हैं
कि अगर हम सस्ते प्रोडक्शन के साथ काम कर रहे हैं तो उनके साथ उनके बारे में बिचिंग करने के लिए कौन है?
Don't worry guys, we're not talking about you.
No, you guys are great.
You guys are great. We have 100 cups on the wall. We love
but we asked for 572.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah, but it's okay. Not toxic at all.
But yeah, if you're working with like a shit production house. then obviously we'll be talking
she's
about.
not taken your name, but I know you're going to think that.
No. We said y'all can cancel. Y'all can cut this.
Or just beep it.
I don't think they care really. Anyway, if you're working with a production house like that, who calls you and says, हमने actually आपको बताया नहीं था पहले, पर कल आपका जो scene है उसमें necking और kissing और smooching होगा, तो फिर you will be sitting and bitching about them कि एक तो दे रहे वो तुम्हें 5,000 per day.
हाँ.
मैं kissing के लिए extra मांगती हूँ यार.
क्या?
Kissing scenes के लिए extra मांगती हूँ 5,000 extra.
You know what it's called now when you charge for stuff like this? It's a different profession. It's not acting anymore.
So I respect all professions. Moving on, we've gone from friendship to
I have a
prostitution very quickly.
I have a feeling people will be offering you money in the comments.
I don't mind. You make friends and then you also make friends in the industry, male friends who you have like had very intimate scenes with.
Oh yeah.
And then as soon as pack up happens, tum kaun, kahan, kaise?
But we
last night we kissed. But why are you taking it seriously?
But we use tongue.
Did that mean something? You know, this happened to me once when मैं बहुत छोटी थी और तभी मेरे को एक वो जो लड़का मेरे ऑपोजिट था मुझे क्रश हो गया उस पे, ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं उसका हाथ पकड़ना ही है सीन में,
हाँ.
मैं ऐसे पकड़ूं, ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो मैंने ऐसे पकड़ा, उसने पता है क्या किया? ऐसा रिजेक्शन मेरे को लाइफ में कभी भी मतलब ऐसा रिजेक्शन नहीं हुआ, इतना सटल but so clear that bro there is a difference between this and this, and I was like
clearly that was one-sided. They clearly love those things.
But today if I did that to him he would lick it.
What?
My hand.
What would he lick? We should talk about what kind of friendship exists in the industry, because ऐसा कितनी बार होता है जैसे we have to audition for the same part. It can be a life-changing part. And मेरे साथ तो ये 2-3 बार हुआ है that we have auditioned for the same part and clearly I'm sitting here.
वो लड़की अभी बहुत बड़ी actress बन गई है.
बहुत बड़ी actress.
बहुत बड़ी. और when I met Saloni's dad recently, he was so disappointed not in her, in the fact that Saloni ने भी audition किया था उसको मिला नहीं. Saloni ने उसके लिए भी audition किया था, वो भी उसको नहीं मिला. He was so sad. I was like, yeah, that is like, especially when it's your closest friend who is like and now a star, guys.
But she's still my closest friend.
Yeah, she is.
So it's not exactly toxic.
तो podcast में बोला ना उसको.
वो बहुत बड़ी एक्ट्रेस है, हमको थोड़े कप्स और लगाने पड़ेंगे अभी. 100 कप्स में नहीं आएगी वो, ऐसे 1,500 कुछ कप्स आएंगे, then I can call her.
Anyway, so
but we're still close friends, so it's not exactly toxic. But how do you celebrate after that? Like, how do you maintain a friendship after that without it becoming toxic? That means what I'm trying to say is that I'm a fucking great friend to have.
You faked it well. You're actually a great actor.
I'm a great actor.
You faked feeling happy for her very well. Inside you were like, "Ma ki aap."
But you know, I had to, in one of the shows that I did, I was cast opposite my friend's ex-boyfriend.
Oh yeah, of course.
Who I had to kiss, and we hated him. मतलब हमने उसके वो नहीं होता तुम फोटोग्राफ्स लेके जलाते हो किसी को भुलाने के लिए, तुम्हारी दोस्त का दिल तोड़ा है किसी ने, तो यू वांट टू लाइक गाली देते हो जब ब्रेकअप होता है, जब वो रो रही होती है. आई वाज कास्ट ऑपोजिट हिम एंड आई हैड टू किस हिम एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक.
एंड तुमने उस पे वूडू भी किया था, आउट ऑफ लाइक कर्स किया था कि तुम कभी भी किसी और को अच्छे से किस ना कर पाए, और नाउ ही हैज टू किस यू ओनली.
व्हाट इज वूडू? आई ओनली नो टूडू.
ओनली
व्हाट इज वूडू?
ओनली Bengalis know this.
That is so wrong.
I am Bengali. I can make Bengali jokes.
Actually, yeah, I am pregnant. I can make dead baby jokes.
Yeah,
so you can make
yeah.
Bengali jokes. Yeah. On this podcast, we
can make all kinds of jokes.
Yeah. So I'm cast opposite him, and I have to kiss him, bro.
But like I said before, you at least you had reference of how good or bad he would be. Skull.
Yeah, really bad.
Hey, how does he use tongue? Is it rough? Like a cat's? Oh shit! Like a cat's.
I like cats' tongues. They're better than dogs.
Okay.
The gold digger. Let's talk about the gold digger friends.
Gold digger friends are those who always forget their wallet. It's just
या लाइट
बैग लेके आएंगे, उसमें वॉलेट नहीं
LV का बैग होगा लेकिन उसमें वॉलेट नहीं होगा।
और गूगल पे तो चलता ही नहीं है कभी।
गूगल पे इज
Shit, network, my network.
See, they only-
Network is not there.
they only deal with cash, no? So
आजकल तो वो ऐप भी आने लगा है ना जहाँ पे वो दिखाते हैं कि पेड है. It's just an app that shows you an animation of Google Pay done. मैंने भेज दिया.
Why are you scamming? What is this app? Why do you?
that app, guys?
No.
There is no app like that, guys. Don't look for it.
That is such a scammy app. Why would
There is
you
an
have
app.
that?
It shows you कि tick mark हो गया and then you run away.
But there's something you've written about here.
Oh yeah. यार ये नाम सब कट कर देना प्लीज. तो ये जो औरत है मेरे लाइफ में, I had a very humble wedding. Okay, कोर्ट मैरिज किया.
मैं थी उस वेडिंग में.
हाँ, वेरी हम्बल. और आफ्टर पार्टी इसके घर पे हुई. मतलब इतना हम्बल था वो.
That's also true.
Yeah, so she has apparently saved a lot of money for her wedding. Her father has. So she told me that, you know, my wedding is going to be the opposite of yours. The
That
fuck
is
do you
such a
mean?
nice insult. I love it.
And she just, if you laugh after a sentence, doesn't mean what you said is not rude. Like,
I love it. I think me and her will bond a lot. I think we should be friends.
and then she's like, you know, my father struggled so much in his life. I was like, wow, finally she's saying something deep.
Yeah.
Which is why today I don't wear anything less than a Coach bag.
Your friend has only reached. I think me and her will really get along.
And I'm like, Coach
We
bag
relate.
खरीदना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है.
My father's also struggled a lot.
That's why you don't wear anything less than a Michael Kors ugly bag, which is like
It's a
red.
really. You're so jealous of my bag. You mentioned it.
It's
in every
ugly.
You have to also realize कि इस equation में तू अपने दोस्तों की बात कर रही है. तो you're also very much part of like.
You have to also realize that right now, if I slap you and run away, you can't run behind me.
I really can't, guys.
Yeah. You have to realize that.
Not toxic at all.
The friends who stop being friends when you stop smoking and you stop drinking.
Friendship of pleasure. कहते हैं
These
उसको.
are the worst kind of friends. Trust me, if you smoke or drink, just quit, which is good for you anyway. But you can also, it's why it's also good is because those friends who used to hang with you only because you drink and smoke will stop meeting you after that. वो तुम्हारे life से गायब हो जाएंगे. Let's talk about the friends that we like now. Let's just go to the friends we like. I feel the ideal kind of friend, moving on, the ideal kind of friend, I'm ignoring you. Ideal kind of friend is the kind of friend who just sticks to the point. Hello? How are you? Where are you? कुछ नहीं, foreplay नहीं चाहिए, सीधा.
Foreplay.
Bro, मेरे को तेरी मदद चाहिए, ये दे सकता है क्या? हाँ, okay, cool, done, खत्म.
कौन है
call,
ऐसा? Who exists like
I
this?
have a friend like that.
You have a friend
and
like that?
my conversations with that person is, hey, are you in Goa or Bombay? I'm in Goa. Okay, cool. वो पूछेगा भी नहीं क्यों पूछा?
तो क्यों पूछा?
नहीं, he's like जरूरी होगा तो बता देगा.
Wow.
बता देगी ना क्या रीजन है. तो ये monosyllabic, monosyllabic.
It's fine. Monosyllabic friendship.
Friends, yeah.
That's a very robotic friendship. You can have that with your computer also, or with Sari if you want. So I'm not sure if what you're talking about is a very nice thing. You can talk to Sari like that. Shita won't even reply something.
No, you need human touch.
No,
Not that I touch him, but.
That would be so weird because I know which friend you're talking about, and he's actually yours.
And I have a
He's actually your
I have a
husband,
history of like checking out my partner's friends, right?
Yeah, correct. So
I have a problem.
that would be very creepy.
It's partner frienditis.
But good friends कौन से होते हैं?
जो gossip लेके आते हैं माँ किया.
बड़ा मजा आता है. जिनका फोन आता है बोलते हैं
इन पे कभी भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि वो तुम्हारा gossip भी कहीं और फैला रहे हैं.
But ये किसी को मत बताना. But everyone will know by the end of the day.
Yeah.
that
I
what the hell is happening.
love those kind of friends.
I love them too. They're too much fun.
You know what happened? She did him and then they did each other.
But you don't know this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also true. और कौन से होते हैं? People who pick up phones, who are not flaky, who will pick up your phone and who will talk to you whenever you need them, whether it's 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., it doesn't matter. I think those are very few. And
Very
I'm that friend.
entitled behavior. मेरा फोन तो उठाओ,
जो
respond
जब
करो,
फोन
मैं
किया
important
उठा.
हूँ.
हाँ.
But I also don't like that. Like कल मैंने शाहरुख को कॉल किया, he didn't respond. I don't like it.
It's a very toxic friend.
Toxic.
Very toxic friend, Shahrukh. Very toxic behavior.
आमिर तुम तो उठा लेते.
But now I think we've reached a point where, like every episode, we have to recommend solutions.
Yeah, because the solutions are so foolproof.
They are so foolish.
Yeah.
Two girls recommend.
How to avoid toxic friendship, Ganguly? I'm asking the most toxic friend I have. How to avoid toxic friendship?
Start behaving like them. Like for example, if your friend is expecting you to split the bill, you ask them कि एक काम कर सकता है, मुझे थोड़े पैसे दे दे, borrow कर सकता हूँ to pay that bill only.
उसी से पैसे
बाद में जीपे कर देगा. और कभी वो तो कभी होता नहीं. बाद में जीपे कर देगा का क्या मतलब है?
हाँ, एक काम कर, मुझे 100 रुपए दे दे. सुबह वो जो कॉफी दे दे.
So sorry.
$100.
Hey Siri, please transfer $100 to Saloni.
That's not
okay. It is successfully transferred. It will reach her account in 3 working years. Thank you.
3 working years.
Happened.
You've just shown that tick mark app.
3 working years provided she gets some work.
That is so unfair. But I think you should just have imaginary friends, guys. Stop having friends. Imagine them.
Oh yeah,
you can imagine whatever you want.
Yeah.
Imagine.
मेरा बैठा है ना यहाँ पे. Nangesh, hi बोल. Nangesh. Nangesh. हाँ. Hi बोल रहा है.
I can't. I've had a very vivid image of Nangesh and he looks like Bhavesh in my head. So. I couldn't.
Yeah, that's my fantasy.
I couldn't control my imagination. I know if you've named him Nangesh, it's probably Bhavesh naked. So I've gone there and imagined it.
What's
so
your imaginary
have
friend's
your
name?
own imaginary
What's
friend.
your imaginary friend's name?
I'll have to create it. I haven't created one.
Chiquita?
Chiquita?
That's my other friend. You're sitting on her.
How many imaginary friends do you
I
have?
have at least 400-500.
More than your actual friends.
मेरे बाथरूम में जितने टाइल्स है ना, मैं उनसे बैठ के बात करती हूँ. वो सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं. मैं उनको डांस सिखाती हूँ. तुम्हें नहीं पता ये? मैं डांस सिखाती हूँ. चलो. Like that. Okay, next.
Next तो वही करना है जो हमने किया है.
क्या?
तूने और मैंने.
क्या किया है?
Just sign a fucking contract. Write down everything. Just sign a contract.
Clauses should be penalty if you cancel. हाँ? 30 मिनट से ज्यादा अपने बारे में बात नहीं करोगे तुम.
Split wise का बिल आपको हर 1st तारीख को क्लियर करना ही करना है. वरना उस पे भी पेनल्टी लगेगी, इंटरेस्ट लगेगा और फोन उठाना ही उठाना है ना. और
अगर मैंने तुम्हें थेरेपी दी विदाउट तो चार्ज करूंगी मैं पर आवर.
करेक्ट.
पर आवर का थेरेपी चार्ज होगा, काउंसलिंग चार्ज होगा.
करेक्ट.
I think it's brilliant.
I think it's brilliant too. I think what we've done is what people should do. You should sign friendship contract.
Only one problem is that there is a point of contact, one person's name they needed. So we have put Saloni's name and I feel that is going to be room for conflict. Because why are you point of contact?
Because I'm just better.
Because you're older. Out of respect.
Not that much older to you. Just because I'm pregnant. Okay. Just sing a song to your existing friends.
Yeah.
Just sing a song.
And that's where we segue into Ghana.
Our song. This song I love. We have to sing this song. Guys, really learn it by hearted because when you sing this song, you're going to know कि कितना effective है ये गाना. मुझे ट्यून बिल्कुल नहीं आती.
I'll help you. The first 4 lines तो आती है ना. तो गाओ.
चलो. 3, 2, 1.
अरे यारो दोस्ती
कभी कभी
लगती है अब बोझ सी
ये ना हो तो
trust me you'll save time and money.
कोई तो हो समझदार. Bro, don't split the bill, I just ate a चार.
कोई तो वापस कर ले उधार.
तेरी हर एक नाकामयाबी पे नाचे वो दोस्त.
तू गम में हो तो भूत बनके गायब हो जाए वो दोस्त.
Ghosting.
फिर बिन बुलाए टपक जाए वो घर पे.
अरे यारो टॉक्सिसिटी
बहुत लंबा वर्ड
है और उसका ऑपोजिट
यानी छोटा मेरे दोस्त का ईगो है. कोई तो हो mature, who's a good listener and not insecure.
But that's impossible, we know that for sure. Now we should go. This is getting pakao.
Let's end it, guys, and give us vada pav.
Yes, I'm hungry. Let's do it now. Let's do it now.
Cut it, bro.
Cut it, bro. Cut it.
Cut it, bro. Before you cut it, please like, share, subscribe, follow, comment, and anything else?
Rose pod नहीं बोला.
Comment. अरे बोलेंगे सब बोलेंगे सब बोलेंगे. देखो like share subscribe comment and subscribe बोल दिया already एक बार.
Ring the bell icon.
Ring the bell icon भी होता है on Two Girls Two Cups. Okay, this is cup graded by Two Girls Two Cups, and also then go to Rosepod YouTube channel, Rosepod India, and watch their content also. Theirs is also nice, ours is also nice. Both are nice.
Bye.
Two girls and two cups. Two girls and two cups. Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Keep listening. Bye. Cheers. Sayonara. Alvida. Hare.